Yo, what's going on, peeps? Here again for another episode. Excited again, another Zbandz one. So I hope you enjoyed the last Zbandz one. If you haven't seen it yet, be sure to check it out. So today's episode, I'm bringing you another guest. As always, I like to have a guest because then I can be the one just kind of shouting out instructions so the video comes out in the best quality it can do in the terms of a workout format. I know I could do it myself, but I choose to go with the business model, which I feel like my bands attract a lot more females. Not to say that you men can't do it, I'm just saying that it attracts more females who want a bigger bum. There's not many men out there that come up to me being like, Z, you know, like, I want a bigger bum. Sometimes I do get a couple of guys who come up to me and go, Z, you know, like, they come to me on the slide, they're like, hey Z, how do you get a bum like that, bruv? And they ask it on the bare sly as well. You know them ones when they're bare like shy. And I'm like, it's cool to ask for a bigger bum, dude. It's fine. But, you know, that's a story for another day, people. Let's get into action. Let's get this started.
Hey everyone, my name is Donalda and I just completed my first bikini fitness competition. Yay! Still very overwhelmed. It only happened over the weekend and I thought, you know what? I need to get back on it and I need to get myself on the Zbandz that everyone's been talking about to work on the booty. Hell yeah. Today we're going to be using the beginner band.
So everybody, the first movement is the side step. 6, 7, good. 8, 9, 10, 5 more. Excellent, change legs. Excellent. Back into the middle, squeeze your glutes back down again, and now we're going to do 10 on the other side. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, hold, 3, 2, 1, bring the leg in, and switch sides. 3, 2, and hold it there for 3, 2, 1, and relax. So now next movement, everybody, is onto the fire hydrant, all called the peeing dog. We're gonna go for 20 reps and let's do it. Hold it up on number 20. Hold it there, everybody. Hold it for 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Great work. And now onto the other side. Good. And hold, 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 and slowly down. Great work. Next exercise, everybody, is the squat with the double pulse. So you go down to the bottom of your squat, you give a double pulse, pushing the bands out, and you drive up and you squeeze your bum. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 2, good. Just a double pulse. Good, and again, 1, 2, and then up. Good, down again. 1, 2, and up. Good. 1, 2, good. 2. Gonna go for 12 to 15 reps on this one. One more, and now hold at the bottom after the double pulse and side step again now. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and change sides now. Excellent. Good. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, excellent, and come to the top and squeeze your glutes. So next movement in the cycle, you're going to need a stepper, or you can use your sofa, and you can use, if you're a beginner, either 1 kg, 2 kg, but today Donalda is going to be using her 3 kgs. 3? Nothing. Anyway, going back into the workout, we're going to go into the split squats, everybody. Get yourself into position. 1 foot on the platform. Forward foot a bit more with your bands on. Excellent. The bigger the stretch, the better. And we're going to go for 8 reps. Good. All about engaging that core. 3, good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then hold at the bottom. Hold on number 8, and you drop 1 dumbbell. Perfect. And then you hold the other one in both hands. Perfect. And you go now. 8 reps again. 1, 2, 3, good. 4, 5, 6, 7, hold the number 8 again at the bottom, hold it there, drop the other dumbbell. And here goes the hard part, everybody. You try your best to double up. Try and aim for 10 to 16 reps at this point now. Drive it through, really driving through. Good, nice and controlled. Good, really go through that burn. Good, excellent. Pushing through. And when you get to number 16, hold at the bottom. Hold and drive up, everybody. Fantastic. And on to the next leg. How'd that one feel?
Woo, bit of burn.
Go. 8 reps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And hold on number 8 at the bottom. Good. Put 1 dumbbell. Good. And then we're back straight into the next one. 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold on number 8 again at the bottom. Drop the other dumbbell now. And let's go. Let's get that 16 out. Non-stop, everybody. Do not stop. Power through. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 6 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hold on number 16. Hold it there for 3, for 2, and 1, and drive up. Excellent. Well done. Jumping squats, everybody. For this, you can use dumbbells. Donalda will be using the 3 kgs again. You can use your body weight if you're not used to jumping squats. You try to go to 90 degrees if you can. And when you jump up, try to squeeze your bum. We're going to aim for 20 reps, 15 to 20 reps, sorry, non-stop. 3, 2, 1. If you stop, we start from 0. 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and hold at the bottom now. Put the dumbbells in front of you, hold them up. Good, and hold it there. And now pulse, up and down, pulse. Good, pulse. We're gonna go for 30 seconds here, peeps. Keep going, keep going. Go through that band. Good. Pushing the bands out every single time. Good. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Excellent. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. We're nearly there now. Last and final 8 seconds, everybody now. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Good. 3. Good. 2. Good. 1. And drive up. Excellent. And breathe. So everyone, starting position here, arch your back in, pull your stomach in as well, and the leg is nice and straight. Raise the leg up in the air as high as you can, bring it down to your toe, touches the floor, and you raise up again, and we're gonna go for 20 reps like this. Let's go. Six. The hardest part about this is keeping that back arched, but you try your best to just keep it there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Hold on, number 20 at the top, and now pulse from the top. Good. 4. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, higher. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly down. Great work. I'm good. Good. Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and hold up at the top and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly bring that foot down. That's great. Excellent. So yeah, we're going to be doing a Z-band bonus. Lie down on your back now for me, please. Perfect. Bring your feet together for me, please. Push the bands out at the top of the movement and hip thrust. Drive the hips up. Gonna go for 10 reps there, up and down. 2. So the most important part about this people here is to keep the feet together and push the bands out. Go for 10 reps. And then when you get to number 10, hold at the top for me. Good. Hold at the top now. Feet shoulder width apart now. Bring your feet shoulder width apart. Good. And then again, 10 reps again, everybody. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, good. 6, good. 5, good. 4, good. 3, good. 2, and then hold again at the top. Good. And now feet even wider, as wide as you can, your feet. Turn your toes out as well. And again, 10 reps here now. Let's go. Really drive it through now. 10 reps. 2, good. Try your best to keep pushing those bands out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hold the number 10 at the top. And now flutter. Just push the knees out for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it open as wide as you can. Bring your feet back to shoulder width apart for me. And again, flutter again for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And then hold it open again. Bring your feet back together. Feet touching again. And again, flutter. Go. 10, 9. Clenching them glutes. Good. 5. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, then hold it open as wide as you can, hips up as high as you can, hold that there, clinch the glutes for 3, for 2, and 1, and slowly down. Excellent. On top of the bonus, we're also going to add in a little bit of calves, everybody, because I feel like that's an important attribute to not neglect. So very simply, we're going to do standing calf raises, and we're going to do 20 reps. 3, 2, 1, go. Perfect. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, good. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and hold a number 20 at the top, slowly come down, and now 10 reps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold a number 10, slowly come down, now 5 reps. 5, 4, 3, 2, hold a number 1, slowly down, 4 reps, 4, 3, 2, 1, slowly down, 3 reps, 3, 2, 1, hold, slowly down, 2 reps, 1, 2, slowly down, 1 more rep, slowly down, now finish strong, 10 reps, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it up at the top again, slowly come down, and that completes 1 set, everybody. If you can, try your best to do 2 or 3 more sets of that. Look, everybody, she's actually really getting going for this one.
No joke, guys, this is no joke.
I didn't splash any water on her, trust me. Yo peeps, and that brings us to the end of today's episode. Normally, as you know, I do story time, but I'm going to leave story time to DONALDA today. Hope you enjoyed today's workout. Be sure to try to aim for 2 to 3 sets of each one. Where the video says pause, please pause it. And if you do need to rewind it, and just do the set again with DONALDA if you need that motivation. But be sure to, you know, try your best. If you need to, do it 1 set this week, then the next week you can maybe do 2 sets, and then the week after that you can do 3 sets, which is also a form of progression, so you can see the engagement happening. Don't forget to purchase your Zbandz in the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all of that fancy stuff. And if you have any questions, please hit me up. I'm always available, especially when it comes to especially about workouts, I mean. And I will see you in the next video. Over to DONALDA.
Back again. So as you could see, I was sweating during this workout. It may look easy, but guys, it is not easy. And for the stories time that Zico just mentioned, I'm gonna keep it very short and sweet. One thing that kept me going through my prep for the bikini competition during the pandemic, during the gym closures, during all the crazy stuff that's been going on is the drum roll. Your goal should scare you a little bit and excite you a lot. So whatever it is that you want to achieve, guys, if I could do this bikini fitness prep and step on the stage and just be there and perform, you can do anything. So set your goal, make sure that it excites you a lot, doesn't matter that it scares you, and just keep going, trust the process, and you're gonna get it. Until next time.